says here, to divide numbers in JavaScript, use the division operator. And there's an example of constant variable quotient, which is equal to the value of 5 divided by 2, and it will have an output of 2.5. And it says in example above, 5 is the dividend, or the number to be divided, and 2 is the divisor, or the number to divide by. The result, 2.5, is called the quotient. So the result of this operation is a quotient. It is called quotient. And it also says here, inside your while loop, create a variable named quotient. So you make a variable named as quotient, and assign it to the value of input divided by 2. Don't forget the semicolon. We're good to go.